So Kalodata now has a new AI feature that changes the way you do product research on TikTok Shop. You can actually just ask the AI to find you the winning products and also the winning scripts instead of having to do the manual work yourself. It's definitely a game changer. It saves you a lot of time and effort in terms of looking for the winning products and also winning scripts. So let me show you how it works in this video. And if you don't have access to Kalodata yet, I'll leave a direct link in the description below. And once you sign up for a free trial, you'll be able to log in, and this is the dashboard that you'll see. So once you're logged in, you can just come down here and click on this icon, and this will activate the AI. And then you can basically just chat with it. And it uses real data that's provided by TikTok Shop. So it's not like guesses, it's actually data that comes from TikTok Shop. So it's really accurate. So I'm going to ask it to analyze the top 10 viral videos for the top trending beauty products. And let's hit enter. And then it's going to do its thing. And then it's going to search through all those categories. And then it's going to find the top 10 viral beauty product videos. And then in just a few minutes, you're going to get a detailed report about the analysis. So here we have the top 10 videos by revenue. And then we have the key performance metrics, product category distribution. And here we have the video script analysis. So here is the top 5 videos that we are looking at. It tells you the success factor analysis. So basically it just tells you the common thread of these videos. So 7 out of 10 videos feature Medicube products, demonstrating the explosive growth of Korean beauty in the US market. So K-beauty is definitely a huge trend right now. Let's scroll down to see what else we have. So we have the problem solution framework. Every top performing video follows a clear problem solution structure. So these are the examples and problems that were highlighted, and these are the solutions that were presented in the video. So this is really valuable because when you find out what works, you can just replicate it and put your own twist to it. And here are the compelling opening hooks. So there's shock value, before and after tease. So all of these hooks are what drives really good results. And again, you can also take into consideration how you can implement the same type of hooks. And we see the hook pattern success rate. 10 out of 10 videos use attention-grabbing statements or visuals in the first 3 seconds. So a good hook is super important. And then we have the social proof strategy. So these are the different types of social proof that was used: real customer testimonials, expert validation, age-specific testimonials, personal journey, and volume indicators. So these are all examples of different social proof that was used. You can look at the camera work and production style. So basically anything and everything that you need about a winning product, you can easily find here in the AI feature. So what used to take like an hour or 2 hours to sort through, like manually, the AI now can do it in minutes for you. So that's the benefit right now with the AI feature in Kalodata. So this is definitely a really awesome update with Kalodata. And as you guys know, Kalodata is my best go-to in terms of finding winning products on TikTok Shop, whether it's TikTok Shop seller or TikTok Shop affiliate. So I definitely highly recommend this. So if you want to try it out, I will list the direct link in the description down below. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave it in the comments. And I hope to see you in the next one.